guys,
This is the time of
guys.
D-A.
So good.
Just kidding. Now this guy today, he got a squirt, and then he dropped it like 2 times, and then it barely even exploded.
Want to see it in action?
This guy cuckoo here, it already happened.
No, did it right?
Yeah, I did. Then how come you're drinking? Huh?
Am I drinking?
Oh.
What am I drinking? You just tapped it, tapped it. It tapped it. It's freaking tapped.
No,
Of
it
the
isn't.
taps. It's freaking
No, it isn't.
It is actually.
It is not.
I'm just practicing.
Arizona, my favorite, with kiwi
Now my
strawberry.
favorite is squirt. What do you want first, squirt or Arizona? I want
Uh-oh.
squirt. The pictures. Okay, now cut that on tape.
Okay. That was awkward.
Yeah. Ah, go.
His.
Cut the tape. Cut the tape.
Are you Sorry, bro. I was like this, right?
Yeah, you.
Sorry.
I'm freaking bleeding. For real. You wanna go hug?
I freaking got wet barely. I don't know what's it from.
I know where. From the explosion.
Bro. You think it's an explosion? Nope, it isn't.
It is. There's a freaking. Don't take it off. Don't take it off. You just put the number off, mate.
There.
Okay, it's on tape.
Sorry. Oh yeah, we're at the swap meet.
Yeah,
Okay. We don't know what to do.
Yeah. For the next video, we're gonna be at Arizona.
No, if you could explode in Arizona. No, look, guys. This is what, look, you guys could even see that he's drinking. Yeah, these guys are like, when he showed you, he was all like this. I know.
Not even YouTubers. I was like, I'm like this, watch. I'm like this, watch. Like this. I'm like this, watch. I was hitting.
You guys could even see the whole right.
I was hitting.
Comment down below who's right, me or Anthony.
It's actually me because
Anthony.
see YouTubers here. Here's the Arizona tab. Right here. Right there, man.
You actually freaking showed the proof.
Here's the freaking YouTuber, bro.
Bro, there's a hole there. This is him. And there's like a hole there, right? Okay. Stand there. Be there. Come on.
You want me to hug you?
Bro, I thought.
Again?
He said, does he? Okay, say it again.
No.
These guys are like, do you want me to suck you? I'm like, bro, I just said no. We're gonna make this video. First of all, clean your saliva.